sure you don't say anything. Over to the right, this is where you're gonna have the retention pond. To the back where we just came from, that's where the park is going to be. It's gonna have, what did it say, 20 plus parking spaces for you and your family, friends, gatherings. We are doing pre-sale on these. It'll be open within a month. We're gonna have the retention pond. This is gonna be the pond. It is gonna be filled with water, of course, fishing pond. So opposed to not just a retention pond, but you'll also have a pond to fish out of. This community is gonna have single wide spaces and it's going to have double wide spaces. Double wides, of course, that's usually what goes first. So if you are interested, make sure you come out and put your deposit down in order to lock it in.